Hey, what's up, guys? It's Miss Lista right here. So today I'm going to talk about how I caught this trade. I think this trade on GU, NU, and AU today. So I'll talk about it. So before then, let's start with EURUSD and start the basic of everything. So we'll go to a blank chart. Probably this guy will be blank. So yeah, so looking at the overall market, this week has been a good week kind of, because we probably took the buy from here. We'll do that in future video. So as we said, according to market profile, the day where you see just two colors, that's Monday. So you can go back. So this is Monday. Go back. This is Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Monday again. So yeah, this is a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So this is Thursday. As at this point, this was the high of the week. So like we said, we expect high of the week to form on Thursday. So at this point, you know that the only thing we have to do is to sell. So that's the reason for this trade. I think there are many trades. Yeah, so I took a sell during London, then a sell again during New York. But this is not what we're talking about now. It is something like this buy. I'll talk about weekly review during the weekend. So now let's go back to where we were. Upload this guy. Yeah. So now after this spike down, the market was there. So now the only thing we had to look at this point was the daily candle. Looking at the daily candle, we could see that we had this spike up, and what we have here is a full body. I will know that the market is definitely going to close and give us weak, just the way it actually gave us now. So our aim at this point is to try and take the low of the day, because this is the open of the day, and um this is the open, and this was the low at the current point. I will know that the market will always close above the low or below the low, depends on the if it's a buy or sell day. So at this point, the aim was that okay, the market has pushed down, so it should at least give us entries to take our buy. So that's just the basics. So let's go back to our normal chart. So yeah, so that's the reason for this area of interest. So now, looking at the way the market was moving slowly, at this point, you probably want to take the make it your area of interest, because you're not sure if it's going to come down here, as in this case. So I think that's why I did not take the trade on EURUSD, because it did not come down to the last result. So now at this point, this is about 4:15. This is about 4:15. So if you look at AUD at 4:15, you probably see that by 4:15, AUD is already at a very good high. So this means that it's definitely going to reverse from here and drop down. And if you check NZD at 4:15, it's also at this high. So it's just breaking structure. So just looking at these two guys, I just know that okay, it's probably not yet time to take that final buy, because they are too high. And if USD is going to buy, then it should be something that you can see in all the USD pay, as in the trade you have seen now, EU, GU, NU, they should all be moving in the same direction. That's how you know a classic good trade. So the fact that NU and EU were so high. You just have to chillax and probably observe what's going to happen. So now, looking at GBP USD as at 4:15, it was this high. So you probably just chillax and know that okay, let's wait for it to retrace. So just aside New York session, which is 5 p.m. my time, just outside New York session, um AUD USD and NU we are pushing a very good area of interest, which means that now this is where we like to take our trade. We like to buy very low and say high. So since we want to buy low, you can see that we just check Euro USD to see if it's aligning. So you can see that by just outside New York, Euro USD area of interest was here. So it was not at the lowest point possible. So because there's still a chance that okay, it might still come down here. And unlike these guys that don't have anywhere else to go. So I just decided to ignore Euro USD. Because if I'm taking this Euro USD trade, I'll probably need a wider stop loss and that will affect your risk to reward ratio. So this probably need like a 25 stop loss to cover for all the areas. So unlike GU that it just barely needs like 12 pips because it's volatile. Then NU needed about 7 pips. Then A AU needed about 8 pips. So the point is that the idea behind the trade is that we're trying to catch the low of the day because the market always give us low of the day, which is probably mid New York, especially after a very large movement as this is about 100 pips. So if the market move 100 pips, it should probably give us low of the day. Yeah, but we'll talk about the case where it doesn't give us like this case now, they don't give us low of the day, just move 100. I think it was about 120 pips. It just moved throughout. There was no low of the day or high of the day. So we'll talk about this in our next video. Now, so that was the idea behind this trade. So we know that okay, we're taking low of the day, but we could not see entry in Euro USD. But we saw that the price aligned in the Vesper and it's just outside our time of trading, like just like 10 minutes outside it. So that was actually a good trade. So that was it. It's nothing special. So let's quickly try to analyze today's trades today by the time I post this video, which is Friday. So now I'll probably want the market to return back to this area of interest again. So I'll probably take the same thing, take another step. But I don't know, Sha. I think there might be serious economic issue going on right now. So I think GPP pair, you can't just it's best to avoid GPP pairs or be careful with them. But as long as you just define your risks, there's nothing to worry about. So I probably want this market to probably try to dance around during each session. Then London session probably shoot up. Then probably look for sales again. So this may be London sale, then New York sale. So this is probably the idea for Friday. And yeah, this is probably the idea for Friday, nothing crazy. So probably see these guys try to target. The profile here is different. each pair have different preference. So EURUSD is probably our main pairs. So this is probably what we're looking at for tomorrow. So we just let each transition to one. Then during New York, we take our trade for London Open. Nowadays, I like taking London Open, like just before it opens, because there's less volatility there, so you can probably watch your trade and the stop loss is not that large, like during your session. So guys, that's it for today. If you have any question, comment, contribution, feel free to drop in the comment section. See you guys weekend. Happy trading.